So, hey guys, it's time for another work in progress Wednesday. This one is obviously a brand new work in progress since I just finished up the new Gundam Verka mechanical clear version review in work in progress. I'll have actually a link for you right there. But this one actually is the SD Nightingale. This kit's actually brought to you by Our Toys Club. They actually graciously sent these kits to me to review, this one and the Quibbly. So definitely going to be doing these right now. So first off is actually since this is an SD kit, we're going to be doing the head and the torso today, and the shoulders. Pretty much what you see here, we're going to do these, that, and that, and there you go. Today, and I'm going to be do my usual thing, detailing and whatnot. I'm going to stay mostly with this color scheme, not 100% this color scheme, but it'll still look really nice, I think, after it's all done. So let's get right down to checking out the pieces. Like I said, these like if you missed my unboxing, I'll put a link right here for you for the unboxing. But these are nice pieces. The edges are a little bit sharp, but that's to be known on third-party kits. So, but otherwise, the pieces are really nicely done. One bummer is that actually I believe I did the LEDs correctly this time, following instructions and everything, and the LED doesn't work. So, there's this cable, I don't know if you can see it, there's a metal piece down there, and then which is connected to the LED, and then there's the metal piece right there, and then I actually just lost there it is. There's this middle piece that goes in the cap, and when it's turned, this piece gets in contact with this metal piece and then completes the circuit and lights up the LED. But it doesn't work, so that's a bummer. Another quick thing to point out, this, I don't know if you guys realize it is a different camera yet again. I had to actually I did have a new camcorder. I had to return it, because the camera was quite expensive, and I couldn't really fully 100% afford it. I was just trying out new cameras and everything to see how the quality was and everything, and I definitely did like it, ease of use and whatnot, but still very expensive, and the ease of use did not outweigh the cost for now, anyways. So, I'm doing this back on my iPhone and doing these videos in short bursts. So, so let's get right down to it and show off, and actually get this kit guy detailed and put together. Okay, so here we have the head and the body parts done, pretty much detailed and everything. I actually had like kind of when I was just detailing a little bit of it, I had kind of a stroke of like genius, well, a stroke of inspiration, and I was like, this looks like Iron Man. It's colors when I'm doing the red and gold. So I'm like, okay, let's go with it. Iron Man color scheme. So as you can see, I did a lot of red and gold. Mostly I did some outlines and stuff, coloring here and there. But I think it looks pretty cool, especially like the face. I did like a minor outline, so I think it looks really cool. Anyways, this looks, I think it's gonna look really nicely done once all finished. So let's get this put together, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. The torso and the head and the backpack all complete. That's the panel I need right here. But it looks, I think it looks pretty cool. Putting on the backpack, I accidentally broke this piece, and if you notice, this has a very severe strain right there as well. I'm going to have to glue those. But I just that happened when I was trying to put the backpack on, as you probably saw in the previous video right there. But it's some detailing right there, as you saw. So next time we're gonna be dealing with the waist and the legs. So look forward to that. So don't forget to check out my Patreon page, patreon.com/gunplaygamer. You can also check out, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also check out my Twitter at @gunplaygamer and my Twitch channel at Xanther_Sarah. Until next time, guys, keep building and keep playing.